Good day everyone. In this video our boiler encounter leakage of steam coming from broken defective valve where the low level alarm is attached. Take a look for this scenario. The plan for this work, first, is to replace the defective isolation valves with a new isolation valves. Second, and also we need to include the overhaul the low level alarm unit. Cause every time this level is stuck up during testing. First thing to do is to stop the boiler and blow down water until the water level is below the broken isolation valve. And release the steam. During overhauling the low level alarm unit, we found out that it's stuck up again. We have a right decision to overhaul to rectify this issue. We need to open the lever to check the magnet inside and clean as possible. Why this unit is always stuck. Also we need to check the float ball have no holes in it, to ensure this floating ball is floating while on service. Magnet and float need to cleaned up, including the inside casing body of this unit. Already assembled and cleaned all part. As you can see the switch is also moving when we moved up the lever caused the magnet to attracted the lever up of the switch. New isolating valves are properly installed. Check all connections, gaskets and correct directions of the valves. Then, need to fill up water until the low level alarm water is cleared. It is recommended to start steam pressure gradually. And check for the possible leakings. Additional information. The low alarm water level is including in the safety shutdown of the boiler system. This is very important alarm need to test as per PMS schedule.
Please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Also follow us on Facebook Barko TV. Thanks for watching.